Hi everyone, welcome back to Our World TV. We're in the kitchen today and I'm super hungry and I've put a request in and Bella's gonna make us a real Greek treat. It's an amazing Greek style lasagna which is pasticcio, and she's gonna show you how to make it and it's incredible. You have to try this. I promise you, once you do, you'll never go back to traditional lasagna again, and this will be a staple in your home. So let's get into the video, guys.
Boil some water and then throw in 500 grams of macaroni. And you're just going to cook your macaroni till it's al dente. I've just drained the macaroni and I'm just going to throw in some olive oil so the pasta doesn't stick. I'm going to start off with throwing in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pot and add in 2 chopped onions, crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons sugar, some thyme, add in extra garlic, guys, so here's a chopped up garlic, and you're just going to saute this. I have 2 pounds of ground beef, which is about 900 grams of minced meat, so I'm just going to throw that in. I'm just going to cook this till the meat browns. Is looking good and it's browned nicely, and now I'm going to add in a cup of red wine. Smells amazing already. Next we're going to add in a tin of tomato. Now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next we're going to add in a teaspoon of mixed spice or allspice. Stock. Add in some parsley and give that a good mix. The flavors, the aroma smells amazing. I'm just giving it a good mix. I'm going to let it cook till all the liquid evaporates. Our mincemeat is ready. The liquid has cooked out. Now I'm just going to cover this and set it to one side. Now we're going to make our bechamel sauce. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For our bechamel sauce, we're just going to throw in about 100 grams of butter, which I think is about 2 sticks of butter. And just melt that down. Don't let your butter burn, just make sure your butter is melted on about medium heat, I'd say. Now we're going to throw in about a cup of flour and give it a good mix. Add milk in 5 increments. Carry on mixing that. Don't pour in all your milk at once, just do it slowly, guys, and just keep mixing. The white sauce is ready. When it starts bubbling, it's ready. It should look like this, and now you can take it off the heat. Into my white sauce I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt, just a pinch of nutmeg, and a half a cup of white cheddar. And I'm just going to give that a mix. And now we can assemble our pasticcio. Get yourself an oven-proof dish and drizzle some olive oil into the bottom of your pan, then a brush. Now we're going to assemble our pasticcio with the first layer of pasta. You could have 2 layers of pasta, but today we're just going to make 1 layer and just layer the meat on top of that. First layer done. Now we're going to sprinkle some thyme onto the pasta. And now I'm going to throw over a layer of crumbled feta cheese. About 100 grams. Now I'm going to add in a little more parsley over the cheese. Now we're going to throw over our mince over the pasta. And just spread it evenly. It smells amazing. You can actually smell the wine and all the flavors. It's so good, guys. This is such a lovely dish. I hope you give it a try. Last but not least, we're going to pour over our lovely cheese sauce over the pasticcio. Your pasticcio completely in the cheese sauce. Pasticcio is like lasagna, but it's the Greek version of lasagna, and I think it's actually better. Delicious, guys. It means mess. So if it looks a bit messy, that's what it means. A nice mess. Delicious one at that. And the last step is just throwing over some grated cheese. I've used some white cheddar cheese. You can use some parmesan, whatever you like, guys. Just sprinkle that over. The pasticcio is ready to go into the oven for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which I think is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So about 40 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown. Pasticcio at the oven. It's a lovely golden brown, and I'm going to serve it with a side of Greek salad. I'm going to let it cool a little bit, and then we're ready to eat. Here we go, guys. Authentic Greek pasticcio. It is so delicious. The flavors are amazing with the wine combined with the bechamel sauce, the beef, the feta cheese, all the herbs and spices that we've thrown in. It's so good. Really recommend this recipe and worth giving a try. Authentic Greek pasticcio. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I really hope you try this out, because I know you're going to love pasticcio. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the video. Let me know if you try it out and how it comes out for you, and trust me, you're going to love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you thought of the video, and don't forget to smash that little bell notification right next to the subscribe button so you guys can get notified every single time we upload a video. Much love from our world to yours.
Pasticcio, pasticcio, jak se mu pasticcio, me la canica, a to kipo, na ne pata fresca, pata o la mesa, mixe casi hispano, pazu me peta. Pasticcio, ya se na tapsilla, na su topsiso, frase macaronia, prepina ne miso, vale béchamel, que pasa lipsto. Pasticcio, vale simera, fiaxame pasticcio, copso se comatia, vato se na disco, abrió zafame, agribo sto idio. Pasticcio, ya se na tapsilla, na su topsiso, frase macaronia, prepina ne misko, vale béchamel, que pasa lipsto. Pasticcio.